this video, I will discuss shell sort and its visualization in the JHAVE system. I'm on JHAVE's hypertext book for the shell sort algorithm. Many of the algorithms in JHAVE have a corresponding hypertext book. These hypertext books explain the algorithm to a student so they have some knowledge of the algorithm before using the visualization. Additionally, the hypertext book explains any conventions of visualization. I will now look at the JHAVE visualization of shell sort. First, I go to jhave.org and click on the button to start the visualizer. Once JHAVE opens, I click on Connect, select Shell Sort in the drop-down menu, and click Visualize. The window that opens allows us to enter our own data or have random data generated for us. We'll use random data this time. This is the main visualization window in JHAVE. On the left, we have a set of bars. These are the elements of the array that will be sorted based on height. On the right is a pseudocode version of the shell sort algorithm and the value of the variables in the pseudocode. Notice the line which is highlighted. This line is the next one to be executed in our visualization of the algorithm. The JHAVE system allows us to move forward and backwards in the execution of the algorithm. Notice that 3 and temp are blue. In this case, this indicates that the item in 3 will be moved to temp for sorting purposes. Occasionally questions come up which are randomly generated by the JHAVE system. In this case, it asks, the vacant spot will end up in position and then asks us to fill in the blank. In this case, the answer is 3, but we'll put in 2 to see what happens. We enter 2 and press click answer, and it says wrong, try again. We enter 3 and click check answer, and it mentions that it's correct. We continue through the algorithm. Notice that another question has popped up, and this time it is not fill in the blank, but instead multiple choice. There are multiple types of questions to test students in the JHAVE system. Additionally, JHAVE has a quiz mode. In this mode, questions that pop up must be answered by the students and the results will be sent to the professors for grading purposes. The question that pops up is asking which of these will happen next, based upon where the algorithm is currently in its execution. In this case, it asks us which of these will happen next, and that's based upon where we are in the algorithm's execution. The answer is swap highlighted value with vacant spot, so we select that and click check answer, and it says we're correct. Students can turn off questions by going to options and clicking show questions. However, in quiz mode, questions cannot be turned off. We'll drag forward in the algorithm. Notice that all the bars have turned red, indicating in this case that we are done with the algorithm.